Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make a very simple and delicious recipe for homemade grits. It's lectin-free, gluten-free, corn-free, and it's very easy to make. And so the first step is you're going to add 3 cups of water to a pot and 1 cup of uncooked millet and 1 teaspoon of salt. Just give it a stir and we're going to bring that to a boil. Okay, so now that it's come to a boil, I'm going to give it a little stir. And I'm gonna put the lid on and then turn the heat down to low. The grits have been cooking for 20 minutes. And now I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of homemade butter on top. You can also add A2 butter, French butter, or ghee. You can even just drizzle about a tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil on top, or coconut oil if you don't want to use butter. And now we're just gonna cover it back up and cook it for another 5 minutes. So the timer's gone off and we're gonna take a look at the grits, and they are nice and done. So we can fluff it with the fork and we can serve it warm. Oftentimes I like to serve it with shrimp, so shrimp and grits, or I can serve it with like some okra, anything. It just tastes really yummy. So there you have it, the most simple and delicious recipe for homemade grits. It's lectin-free, gluten-free, corn-free, and it tastes so yummy. Enjoy.